Hey Canton, craving dinner with bowling, arcade games, and delicious cocktails? I found the perfect place for you.
Hey guys, I'm Adam, one of the owners of B&B Social here in Downtown Canton. When we created B&B Social, we wanted it to be more than just a place to go and have dinner. We wanted to give Canton a true social destination, a place where you can go and enjoy good food, order a creative cocktail, watch the game, and actually have fun and do something together. Our menu has something for just about everybody, from smash burgers to wings to handcrafted flatbreads. Then we have dinner entrees, shrimp and grits, Cajun chicken pastas, and a bunch of shareable appetizers. And after you eat, you can challenge one of your friends to Rollerball, fully interactive worldwide darts, skee-ball, or one of our arcade games, or simply just relax, grab a cocktail, catch your favorite team on one of our TVs. We're also a great option for birthdays, company gatherings. We do buyouts, we do celebrations, we do private events, we do catering, we do all that. So whether you're planning a night out, bringing a group together, or exploring downtown Canton, we'd love for you to come and try B&B Social right here at the Jones Building, 130 East Main Street, Suite 100, Canton, Georgia.
Come eat, play, and see what makes B&B Social different. And follow my page for more Canton Insider news and real estate advice on how to succeed here.